This is my drawing for the pump shed as it's been explained to me. It's supposed to be 12 feet. Notice the metric right by my tape, 12 feet, and also look down here in the very bottom box where it says length. Okay, you can see it changed. That's going to show my measurements. But right there, 12 feet by 12 feet. Okay, I understand the slab and the stem wall and the foundation has already been poured. So, of course, I've drawn it at 12 feet. I imagine it's probably above grade, at least 6 inches, I hope. And then below grade, I don't know, another 2 feet, don't know. Doesn't matter too much because this video is showing my drawing of the framing of the pump shed. So the first thing that goes down on the concrete is the plates. And the plates are right here. I understand there is already a plate, a 2x4 plate, embedded into the concrete, which is this one. We're going to come and put our 2x6 plates around the foundation, so it's going to be a 12x12 building. And this shows me the shape of my plates up top. Once I turn the studs on, it'll make more sense. I'm going to turn the studs on right now. Here they come. Boom. That's the shape of my building. Okay. I have 96-inch studs, or 8-foot studs, as required. And my rake wall right here goes up on a 412 because it follows my rafters, which are cut on a 412. One small problem, maybe it's a problem, maybe it's not a problem, but by using 8-foot studs, now when I turn my sheeting on, watch my sheets, watch my wall sheets. When I turn my wall sheets on, see my wall sheets are 8 feet. See that? 8 feet. But now I have that extra, what is it going to be here? I got approximately that extra, well, it'll be 6 inches there, okay? I'll have to make a little special ripper, but whatever, that doesn't matter too much. And the only reason that it's not showing there is because I haven't drawn it. But we're going to draw this little ripper right here, just to show you exactly where it goes. And just get right up in that corner, and that is my little ripper, I think. And something does not look right. Let's see if I pulled it out right. Going crazy on me. Let's fix it up. I think I have a bad rectangle possibly. Alright, so it's going to go from this point, which is right there, to up in here. Okay, it's going to be ½ an inch. There, and then I'm just going to go and pull this edge over because I wasn't able to get up in there. Alright, so that's the little ripper. And you can see how nicely it tucks up under my bird's mouth cut right here for all my rafters, okay? So I'm going to put that, what I just drew, on the wall layer, and I'm going to turn my wall sheets off. But I want to orbit around and show you what the building's going to look like with the wall sheets on, okay? Now, there's nothing in this building, just a door, just a 3-foot door. And you can see my rough opening is 3'2" and a 6'11", which would be 83 inches. That's my rough opening. Okay, let's look at the roof. Let's turn on the fascia, and let's turn on the bird blocks, and let's turn on the hangers. Okay. Now, the owner had requested 2x10 rafters, but then I would have had to make the fascia 2x10. And normally my fascia is just 2x6, so on this particular shed roof design, I have to keep my fascia and my rafters the same. So that's why I drew the rafters as 2x6. But if he wants to change the fascia to 2x10, I can change the rafters to 2x10. But I think the 2x6 rafter is plenty. And I have bird blocks up here up on the wall, so the rafters won't flop over. And I also have the hurricane hangers drawn in. There's my roof framing, just really simple. I have my bird's mouth cut. Let me turn these bird blocks off. And you can see, that's my bird's mouth cut right there, okay? I basically got the same cut up on top, it's just flipped around. Alright, and then you can see how nicely it dives into the fascia. So then when we go to put the metal under the soffit, it all planes, and there's no problems. Okay, my roof sheets, there's my roof sheets. Just staggered a little bit. And so here is what the shed is going to look like, just framed. Then later we'll put the metal on. So I hope that is informative enough to give you the idea of what this little shed is going to look like. And I will stop the recording now.